Welcome to Python Testing Explained. In this tutorial, we are going to dive into the world of software testing using Python's built-in unit test module. By the end of this video, you will be able to write and run your very first automated tests. So what exactly is testing? Imagine you have written a program. To check if it works, you might run it, type in some numbers, and see if the result looks right. That is manual testing. It works, but it is slow, boring, and easy to mess up. Automated testing is the better way. We write code that tests our code. It is fast, reliable, and you can run it 1,000 times a day without getting tired. Python makes this easy with a module called unittest. The best part? It comes standard with Python, so there is nothing to install. It is based on industry standards, meaning the concepts you learn here apply to almost any other programming language. Before we code, let us learn 4 key terms. A test fixture is the setup you need, like creating a temporary database. A test case is the actual test itself. A test suite is a collection of test cases. And a test runner is the program that executes them and tells you if they passed or failed. Here is what a test looks like in code. First, we import unittest. Then we create a class that inherits from unittest.testCase. Inside that class, any method starting with the word test will be run automatically. Inside the method, we use assertions to check if things are correct. Assertions are the heart of your test. They compare what you got with what you expected. AssertEqual checks if 2 values are the same. AssertTrue checks if a condition is true. There are many others, like assertIn to check if an item is inside a list. Let us try a real example. Imagine we have a file called my_math.py. It has a simple function called add that takes 2 numbers, x and y, and returns their sum. We want to verify this works. We create a new file called test_math.py. We import unittest and our math module. We create a class called testMyMath. Inside, we define test_add. We call our add function with 10 and 5 and assert that the result equals 15. To run the test, open your terminal. Type Python -m unittest followed by the file name. The -m flag tells Python to run the unittest module script, which handles finding and running your tests. What does the output mean? A dot means a test passed successfully. An F means it failed, so your code produced the wrong result. An E means an error occurred, like your code crashed with a bug. You want to see all dots. Here are some tips for success. Give your test methods long, descriptive names so you know what broke. Keep tests independent. One test should not rely on another. And finally, run your tests frequently to catch bugs early. To recap, inherit from test case, name your methods starting with test, use assertions to verify data, and run everything with the unit test module. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more Python tutorials. Happy coding!
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.